Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 22 frugal home building ideas to consider now. Are you in the market for a new home but don't want to break the bank? Think again. There are many frugal home building ideas and options available to you. In this video, we will discuss 22 of them. From using recycled materials to building your own home, we will cover everything. So, whether you are just starting out on your home building journey or you are looking for some new ideas, watch on for inspiration. Why build your home using frugal ideas? Building frugally has many benefits. The most obvious one is that it saves you money. However, frugal home building can also lead to a more sustainable and eco-friendly home. And in many cases, frugal building methods can also lead to a higher quality home. So if you are looking to save money and build a better home, frugal home building is the way to go. 1. Use recycled materials. One great way to save money when building a home is to use recycled materials. This can include anything from using reclaimed wood to using recycled bricks. Not only will you be saving money, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. 2. Build your own home. If you are handy with tools and have some building experience, why not build your own home? This is a great way to save money as you will only be paying for the materials and not labor costs. 3. Use natural materials. Another frugal home building option is to use natural materials. This can include using straw bales for insulation or using clay for your walls. Not only are natural materials cheaper than traditional building materials, but they are also better for the environment. 4. Use frugal construction methods. There are many frugal home building methods that you can use to save money. Some great frugal construction methods include using recycled materials, using natural materials, or building your own home. By using these frugal methods, you can save a lot of money on your home building project. 5. Get cash back on purchases. You can also get cash back on some of the frugal home building materials you purchase. For example, if you buy energy-efficient windows, you may be eligible for a tax credit. There are also many rebates available for energy-efficient appliances and solar panels. So be sure to do your research and take advantage of these programs. 6. Don't get upgrades. One way to save money when building a frugal home is to avoid upgrades. Many builders will try to sell you on upgrading to granite countertops or hardwood floors. But unless these upgrades are absolutely necessary, resist the temptation. Stick with the basics and you'll save yourself a lot of money in the long run. 7. Buy bank-owned land. Another frugal home building tip is to buy bank-owned land. This land is often much cheaper than purchasing land from a private owner. And while it may need some work, it can be a great way to get a lot of land for a fraction of the price. 8. Use low-flow fixtures. Installing low-flow fixtures is a great way to save water and money. Low-flow toilets, shower heads, and faucets can all help you save water and lower your monthly bills. So if you're looking for a frugal way to build your home, consider installing low-flow fixtures. 9. Use a tankless water heater. A tankless water heater is another great frugal home building option. These heaters only heat the water when you need it, so you're not wasting energy heating a large tank of water. They can be a bit more expensive up front, but they will save you money in the long run. 10. Use CFL or LED lights. CFL and LED lights are more expensive than traditional incandescent bulbs, but they last much longer and use less energy. So if you're looking for a frugal way to light your home, consider using CFL or LED bulbs. 11. Weatherize your home. Weatherizing your home is a great way to save money on your energy bills. There are many simple things you can do to weatherize your home, such as sealing drafty windows and doors. You can also insulate your walls and attic to help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. 12. Plant trees. Planting trees is a great way to save money on your energy bills. Trees provide shade and can help keep your home cool in the summer. They can also block wind, which can help keep your home warm in the winter. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save money on your energy bills, consider planting trees. 13. Use a thermostat that is programmable. A programmable thermostat is a great way to save money on your energy bill. These thermostats allow you to set the temperature for different times of the day and night, so you can keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, which will save you money on your energy bill. 14. Install solar panels. Installing solar panels is a great way to save money on your energy bill. Solar panels can provide all of the energy you need to power your home. And if you live in a sunny area, you may be able to get by without using any energy from the grid. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save money on your energy bill, consider installing solar panels. 15. Use a clothes line. Drying your clothes on a clothes line is a great way to save money on your energy bill. It takes less energy to dry your clothes on a clothes line than it does to use a dryer. And if you live in a sunny area, you may be able to dry your clothes for free. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save money on your energy bill, consider using a clothes line. 16. Install a wood stove. Installing a wood stove is a great way to save money on your energy bill. A wood stove can provide all of the heat you need to warm your home. And if you live in a rural area, you may be able to get your wood for free. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save money on your energy bill, consider installing a wood stove. 17. Collect rainwater. Collecting rainwater is a great way to save water and money. You can use rainwater to water your plants, wash your car, or even drink it. And if you live in an area with a lot of rainfall, you may be able to collect enough rainwater to meet all of your needs. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save water and money, consider collecting rainwater. 18. Use a graywater system. A graywater system is a great way to save water and money. Graywater is the wastewater from your sinks, showers, and washing machine. You can use graywater to water your plants and flush your toilet. And if you live in an area with a lot of rainfall, you may be able to collect enough graywater to meet all of your needs. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save water and money, consider using a graywater system. 19. Install a wind turbine. Installing a wind turbine is a great way to save money on your energy bill. A wind turbine can provide all of the energy you need to power your home. And if you live in a windy area, you may be able to get by without using any energy from the grid. So if you're looking for a frugal way to save money on your energy bill, consider installing a wind turbine. 20. Have a garage sale. Last but not least, one of the best ways to frugally build your home is to have a garage sale. You can sell items you no longer need or want and use the money to purchase building materials. This is a great way to declutter your home and get 21. Use reclaimed materials. Another great way to frugally build your home is to use reclaimed materials. You can find reclaimed lumber, bricks, and other building materials at your local salvage yard. This is a great way to save money on your building project and help the environment. 22. Build a tiny house. If you're really looking to frugally build your home, you could build a tiny house. Tiny houses are becoming increasingly popular as people look to downsize and simplify their lives. And because they are so small, they can be very affordable to build. So if you're looking for a frugal way to build your home, consider building a tiny house. So there you have it, 22 frugal home building ideas that will help you save money and build the home of your dreams. Conclusion: 22 frugal home building ideas. There are many frugal home building ideas that can help you save money. Some of these ideas include using recycled materials, building your own home, or using natural materials. All of these options will help you save money and build a beautiful home. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.